Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be learning how to save items on Temu, and now let's dive right in. Now to save items on your Temu account, first open up your Temu app on your phone. After opening your Temu app, guys, first navigate to the item which you want to save on Temu. For example, let's search for a bag over here and let's search for it. And after searching for a particular item, guys, let's open up that item. You can see the first one over here. It says outdoor travel backpack. Let's open this item, and when we open this item space, guys, we'll be required to scroll down a little bit until we can find the product guides or the product details. Over here you can see, guys, there is the product details. There will be a product details page for each of the product available on Temu just below the comments, and at the right side of the product details, guys, you can see the save button available for us, and when you tap on it, it says save to wish list. And that being done, guys, this is how we will be able to save items on Temu, and it will be available on the wish list of our Temu account. So in order to find our saved items, let's go back, and when we land on the home page, at the bottom of the screen you can see there is the U button. Tap on the U button at the bottom middle section of the screen, and you can see, guys, here it says the wish list over here, and this wish list will have the items we had saved on Temu. We can see this is the bag or the outdoor travel backpack which we had saved just recently. And there, this is how to save items on Temu. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.